Alright, Nels, what are you firing off again?
This is a 1911 Schmidt Rubin 7.5mm Swiss Mauser.
And your target is the 200 or 300 yards?
200 yards. A little high. Got him!
There he is.
That's cool. Let's try 300 yards from the rest.
And 300 yards is way, way down there. Got
him.
Yep, heard it.
You can hear it hit. That's with iron sights. Got him again. This thing is so smooth. This is probably the best gun I have.
Nice hits. Very nice. Scopeless at 300 yards.
Yep.
Yep, another hit. Very nice. And the finish looks new because you redid it when you were how old?
12. That was a while ago. Yep, this is a beautiful gun.
Very nice. Good job. Nice shooting.
Thanks, man.